Dexion's latest flat-pack shelving system, Budgetline 300, is excellent value for money. With simple, clear assembly instructions. Each pack contains 4 fully pre-galvanized single-piece uprights and 5 pre-galvanized shelves, plus rigidity corner plates. Dexion Budgetline 300 is designed to be rigid without needing cross-bracing, giving clear accessibility to every shelf level. Dexion Budgetline is easy to assemble. We even supply the spanner. Simply lay out the uprights, attach the shelves and corner plates, and bolt together in minutes to give you a bay of general-purpose shelving capable of holding up to 50 kilograms per shelf and up to 250 kilograms per bay. Dexion Budgetline 300 provides the proven Dexion quality in an easy-to-assemble format at a budget line price.